is up? Welcome back to Team Engineering. Today I have my best friend Anna. Hey! And we're going to be making a super cool spy book.
You can like hide things from your siblings in there. You can really do whatever you want with it. It's really cool. So let's get started.
To make the spy book, you will be needing an old, thick book,
X-Acto knives, tacky glue,
safety goggles,
and dust masks.
First, you're going to take your book and your X-Acto knives. For these, you need parental supervision.
Hello.
We're going to be cutting a square. So first, I'm going to draw out the lines of the shape. Now we're going to begin cutting.
So we're going to cut before we glue.
And then how we're going to get the page out is we're just going to pop it out. So as you can see, we've gotten new lighting. And as you can hear, we've gotten new microphones, thanks to the Track Wizard.
We've upgraded the Tinker Engineering studio. Okay, so we have one more page to cut, and then we are going to start gluing. So.
All we have to do is clean up our edges. So now that we have finished cutting the pages, it's time to glue our pages together.
Okay, so now we're going to get our masks on. And now we're going to put on our goggles. Now we're going to start gluing.
One of us will spray the edge, and then we'll put the piece of paper down. Our pages are now glued. Now let's take off our goggles and masks and see what we can put in. Okay, Anna. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, guys. Bye, guys. This spy book is so useful and pretty cool. Yeah. Okay. Bye, Anna.
Bye. Be sure to like
And subscribe.